Hi, my name's Kiran Gangaram.
Hi guys, I'm Brandon Roberts.
Hey guys, my name is Jay and I'm back again, and this time I'm going to be answering one of the most frequently asked questions on how to maintain your vehicle. Let's get to it.
With all the late model vehicles we have today, you don't have to check your oil frequently. I would say rather leave it for when it needs a service. That's the best time to check it. For all the older model vehicles, my advice would be rather on a weekly basis. If you cannot, then monthly would be fine.
Because what happens is once there's corrosion in there, it basically means that your oil is quite old and it doesn't lubricate as good as it was when it was still new. So you need to check it or change it.
So the viscosity changes with time, the oil gets thinner. The oil needs to be nice and thick for the engine to run efficiently.
I would recommend rotating your tires around about every 5,000 kilometers. It's like my father always said, as jou wiele begin gly, is jou tires verby.
That one, I think it's something that you can also feel as well. So it's quite easy to always be aware of it, because like even when you brake, your car sort of loses a little bit of balance when the tires start wearing off. So for every 5 to at least 10,000 Ks, you know definitely there's a little bit of wearing off on your tires. So you definitely need to have a look at them.
Tires should be rotated at about 10,000 kilometers, but I would say rather get advice from your service provider and he will advise you exactly when to rotate your tires.
So something you can look for is a sticker in your cabiole or at the side of your door. It usually indicates what the pressure of your tire should be.
Wiper blades generally need to be replaced after the winter season.
So if you check your wiper blades and you see they are pretty worn out, it's time to replace them. But it's also a good idea to replace them before the start of the rainy season each year.
I mean guys, this one is quite easy. You will know because you will see, or you won't.
Usually when your battery is old or outdated, the check engine light will start to flicker, or you can check the battery case. If it's swollen or bloated, it's time to replace your car battery.
When a battery is really old, you will see the acid build up on the terminals. You will also see that the distilled water leaks from the caps.
Another thing is when you actually driving and there's like a leak on your battery, there's a smell that comes off. So you literally smell it when you're driving. So you can tell that, you know what, I need to change the battery. So that's it from me guys for this week. If you guys have any questions you'd like to ask, please drop a comment below and we'll definitely get back to you.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this page.